Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best Shopify store. First, identify a profitable niche. Look for products with high demand and manageable competition. Research your target audience thoroughly to understand their needs and preferences. This foundational step is crucial for long-term success. Validate your product idea by testing market interest before committing substantial time and resources. A well-chosen niche sets the stage for a thriving online business. Next, focus on setting up your online store with precision. Choose a professional and responsive Shopify theme that perfectly aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Customize the layout, colors, and fonts to create a cohesive and inviting visual experience for your visitors. Crucially, optimize every product page with high-quality images from multiple angles and compelling descriptions that highlight key benefits. This attention to detail significantly enhances the customer's shopping journey. Now, let's talk about driving traffic and sales to your new store. Implement robust search engine optimization strategies to improve your organic visibility on search results pages. Leverage social media marketing to engage with your audience, build a loyal community, and showcase your products creatively. Consider running targeted advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook or Google to reach potential buyers who are actively looking for what you offer. Consistent marketing is key. Finally, focus on optimizing your store for sustained success and growth. Regularly analyze your store's performance data, such as conversion rates and average order value, to identify areas for improvement. Provide excellent customer service, responding promptly to inquiries and resolving issues efficiently to build strong customer loyalty. Continuously test and refine your marketing campaigns and product offerings. This iterative approach ensures your Shopify store remains competitive and profitable over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.